Progressive Congress (APC) for Edo State don announce say dem not sure say dem go continue with the ongoing inspection of materials wey dem use do the recent governorship election for Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) office for Benin City. The APC state chairman Emperor Jarret Tenebe tok dis one for one talk session with Tori pipo wey dem do for the party secretariat on Friday, October 11, 2024. E come explain say the reason why dem fit pull out na sake of the attack from the opposition party once again on their party supporters the previous day for INEC office. According to Oga Tenebe, the attackers wey shoot at the APC party supporters na the same people wey kill Inspector Aku Onu wey be security aide to the governor-elect. Tenebe, on behalf of the party, call for the immediate arrest and prosecution of those wey plan and carry out the attack. E come also add say if the party decide to join the inspection again, dem go arrange their own security to protect their members throughout the exercise.
The All Progressive Congress in Edo State are constrained to cry out that the People's Democratic Party in the state, along with their agents, have made a tribunal order joint inspection of materials used for September 21st, 2024 governorship election impossible. Sadly, an exercise that would have been seamless has become problematic and dangerous due to the desperation of PDP candidate Aswa Ighodalo and Governor Godwin Obaseki as they have continually invaded the venue in INEC office. The brazen gun attack on supporters of APC yesterday at INEC office by same criminals that murdered Inspector Aku Onu confirmed the danger we have been facing since the tribunal granted us access to inspect materials that were used for the September 21st, 2024 election. Nigerians will recall the consistent appeal by APC for the police to arrest those that murdered Inspector Anu at the INEC office. The police refusal has burdened Chief Francis Inegbeneki, Mr. David Ulukoga, and other members of Edo State Security Network to defiantly continue their murderous attack on our members. In the light of the prevailing circumstances, the All Progressive Congress demand the arrest and prosecution of those that planned and executed the attack on our members yesterday at INEC office. We add also that we are unable to guarantee the APC continuous participation in the inspection exercise in INEC office. If and when we decide to take part, the APC as a party shall provide alternative security for our members and legal team during the period the exercise will last.
For a response to questions on top the petition wey dem write to INEC boss for Abuja concerning 6 buses wey dem allegedly say carry beavers come from government house to INEC office and whether dem go continue with the inspection of the INEC materials, Emperor Jarret Tenebe come talk say,
we are not pulling out of it. That is taking us to the question he asked now about what happened today. Because we are just coming from INEC now. You can recall that yesterday we submitted a petition having seen 6 IAS buses with government house number loaded with beavers machine and registers entering INEC office. We did a petition to that effect. And we demanded that the petition should be treated before we can commence anything with the materials we are going to inspect. Because what it means is, which materials are we going to inspect? As we speak, to us, we have 2 sets of materials in INEC office. The original materials, which are in custody of INEC, and the materials they brought from government house. That is what is before the petition that we pulled out. And we wanted that petition to be dealt with. So as at yesterday, they could not address the petition. And they wanted to go ahead. They wanted to go ahead to start the inspection. We resisted that. And while that was on, one of our supporters was shot outside because there were PDP hoodlums led by Matthew Dwekeme, invaded the INEC office, and one of our supporters was seriously wounded with gunshots. And that stalled the whole program yesterday. But because we felt that they were going to continue, we decided to take a step further and did a petition to the chairman of INEC in Abuja. We actually hired a jet to take the petition to INEC, and it was stamped received. So when we got there today, we brought out the petition to the INEC chairman that we already have sent a petition to the INEC chairman in Abuja, and as I speak, they have already called me that we should provide by tomorrow the evidence of those BVAS machines that were going into INEC. That means INEC in Abuja have already taken up the matter. So the INEC in Benin here now decided to wait for the response from Abuja before they can proceed. So before we left just now, all the political parties now agreed that they should allow the matter to be dealt with maybe by tomorrow in Abuja. So we reconvene by Monday, 11 o'clock, to start the process. All the political parties signed, but PDP refused to sign. Don't forget that they refused to sign the peace accord. Don't also forget that when they announced the result, they also refused to sign. So it is not new. But 6 political parties out of 7 signed that we have to resume by Monday. That is the issue. So we have not pulled out. That response was supposed to be to us. We did the petition, and we expected INEC to write to us, telling us their findings, if possible. But that petition was not only to the REC. We also copied the DSS and also copied the police. And anytime we have anything to do with INEC, the police are there, the DSS are there. So we expected that they will call for evidence, but they didn't call. We only saw it on the internet that they responded to the petition. So we had even written this petition as of yesterday before we saw that one today. So the matter is already not before him, the matter is before Abuja. That is the reason why it's like that. And I'm sure by this weekend, everything will be resolved and the proper thing will start by Monday. We will converge again by Monday, and we have taken time, so they won't be there. But everybody is being watched in that place. So I don't think they will be there. Because if they try to go there, then they will be calling for trouble. We know they are not peaceful people, but we are peaceful people. We are law-abiding. We know we don't take the laws into our hands. Not that we are afraid, because we don't want problem. But when they bring problem, there is no problem.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.